And as far as our weather headlines, unfortunately, the heat humidity lasting for the rest of the work week, but also we're going to be dealing with the return of that Saharan dust. We saw some of it this past weekend, and we're expecting more hazy skies and, of course, more problems with those folks with lung sensitivities there. When it comes to isolated weekend rain chances, we could see some of that starting on Friday, so we could see some slight relief and a slight cool down as we head towards the end of the week into the weekend. But as far as that temperature trend for the next 10 hours, we are expecting those highs to once again top out at 99 for the 3 p.m. hour, up to 100 degrees by the 4 p.m. hour. We're going to have a mostly sunny day, so definitely a very good day to be in the pool or along the coast, especially on South Padre Island. But we are expecting that elevated fire weather risk for today. So a very high risk from McAllen that does include southern Hidalgo County, encompassing Starr County there, and a high risk including Harlingen to Raymondville there, as we are dealing with those dry conditions and the lack of rain, as well as those increasing drought conditions that are now in place there. Looking at the latest drought monitor, moderate drought conditions in place for the entire valley. That does include dry conditions for coastal Willacy and Cameron County. But as we look at the latest burn bands, we are expecting Starr County to be under that burn band as of now. Of course, Hidalgo, Willacy, Cameron, not under that burn band as of now, but we can only imagine that that might happen as we deal with the lack of rainfall. Feels like temps ranging between 106 to 108. We're going to see those 100-degree feels like temps at least until the 7 p.m. hour. So another sweltering hot day. Practice those heat safety measures, stay hydrated out there, because we are definitely going to continue seeing those hot and humid conditions. Satellite and radar showing that high pressure system situated across the Four Corners region. This is going to be moving and dominating across Texas, and that's going to be responsible for keeping us calm and clear, at least for the next few days. Highs in the 90s and 100s, lows in the 70s and 80s. Just hot and humid weather conditions are expected. However, once we head into Friday, we could see a minor disturbance move through that could give us some isolated rain chances, at least through the weekend. So expect that isolated rain chance at least from Friday lasting through Sunday. But unfortunately, we're going to still continue to see those hot and humid conditions at least for the rest of the week. Elevated rain chances for the weekend, but of course the tropics looking quiet as of now. No activity expected within the next 5 days. We are dealing with that Saharan dust, another plume of that moving across the Atlantic Ocean, and some of it already moving into South Texas, bringing us more hazy skies. And we're expecting a more increasing risk of that hazy conditions as we head into Thursday and towards the end of the week. But unfortunately, just remaining quiet. We're not expecting any rain chance, at least for the next few days there. As we look at the activity during hurricane season, this is where we're going to have to keep an eye on that situation. The months of August and September is our peak of hurricane season, so we could expect an uptick of that tropical activity. So definitely expect, use the time now that we're dealing with these quiet weather conditions to prepare for hurricane season. As far as your 7-day forecast, mostly sunny through Thursday. We're going to start seeing increasing cloud coverage for Friday, Saturday into Sunday into the weekend, with that 20% chance of isolated storms. Highs in the upper 90s and 100s, lows in the 70s. Unfortunately, just remaining hot and humid, but we could get a cool down as we head towards the end of the week.